Ever wondered how investigators find anyone, anywhere, with just a clue? Today, I'll show you how, using 12 powerful, free, and legal satellite imagery tools. We'll go from familiar names to obscure gems, revealing how to track changes, spot hidden vehicles, and even see what Google can't. Stick around, because the last tool is a game changer used by the world's best OSINT pros. Let's start with the classic, Google Earth. This tool has been around for years, but it's still one of the most powerful resources for digital investigations and open-source intelligence. With just a few clicks, you can travel anywhere on the planet, zooming from a global view down to street level in seconds. Most people just look up their house, but pros use it for digital reconnaissance, analyzing high-res images to count cars, map secure facilities, or even spot patterns in traffic and activity. The detail is incredible. You can see everything from rooftop layouts to the placement of security cameras, giving you a unique perspective on any location. The real secret? Historical imagery. This feature is a game changer for investigators and researchers alike. You can rewind time to see how a location changed, watching buildings rise, roads appear, or vehicles come and go. It's like having a visual timeline at your fingertips, letting you track development, spot new construction, or even catch when something disappeared. Investigators use this to verify alibis, spot vulnerabilities, or uncover details like old entrances now hidden by new construction. It's a powerful way to cross-check stories and find evidence that would otherwise be invisible. The 3D view lets you understand topography and line of sight, planning routes, or finding hiding spots. You can virtually walk through cities, examine terrain, and even simulate what someone could see from a specific vantage point. It's not just a map. It's a time machine and blueprint for any investigation. You can overlay notes, compare eras, and build a complete picture of your target area. Before you use any other tool, start here. Google Earth gives you the context and background you need before diving deeper. Google Earth's depth and context are unmatched. Its historical data, 3D features, and high-resolution imagery set it apart from other mapping tools. It's the foundation for every digital investigation. Whether you're tracking a suspect, researching a location, or planning a field operation, it all starts here. If you want to see the world's secrets, this is where you begin. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your curiosity and attention to detail. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's move to the next level and see what other tools can reveal. Next up, Sentinel Hub, your all-seeing eye in the sky. This powerful platform brings the world of satellite imagery right to your fingertips, letting you explore our planet from a truly unique perspective. With Sentinel Hub, you can access scientific-grade satellite data, including infrared and thermal bands, all for free. Whether you're a researcher, a hobbyist, or just curious, the platform opens up a treasure trove of information that was once only available to experts. Use it to detect hidden bunkers, monitor vegetation health, or spot heat anomalies, just like intelligence agencies do. The ability to see beyond what's visible to the naked eye can reveal secrets hidden in plain sight. Track ships as they move across busy ports, monitor wildfires as they spread, or verify environmental claims using NDVI and other advanced indices. The data is updated frequently, so you're always looking at the latest information. The EO browser makes it incredibly easy. Just pick a spot on the map, choose a date, and layer powerful datasets to uncover patterns and changes over time. No technical expertise required. Sentinel Hub is perfect for monitoring vast areas, whether you're interested in environmental changes, urban development, or uncovering activities people want to hide. It's a tool for seeing what others might miss. It's less about finding one person and more about seeing the big picture, understanding how landscapes, cities, and environments evolve over time. If you want to see the invisible, uncover hidden details, or simply explore the world in a new way, Sentinel Hub is your go-to tool. Let's keep going. Need real-time updates? Zoom Earth delivers satellite images just minutes old. Track events as they happen, protests, disasters, or moving convoys. Animate hours or days of imagery to reveal movement and patterns. Overlay real-time weather data to predict paths or understand conditions on the ground. While the resolution isn't as sharp as Google Earth, the immediacy is unmatched. Journalists and investigators use it to get the latest aerial perspective. For live tracking, this is the go-to tool. If you want to see what's happening now, Zoom Earth is essential. Let's see what NASA has to offer. NASA Worldview gives you mission control access to global satellite data. Explore hundreds of layers, track dust storms, ice melt, or city lights from space. Investigators use it to spot new settlements, illegal mining, or environmental disasters. Step through time, create animations, and build cases using NASA's own data. It's perfect for understanding the environment and large-scale events. Less about individuals, more about the forces shaping their world. For macro-level intelligence, Worldview is unbeatable. Now let's dig into deep history. For historical deep dives and serious research, USGS EarthExplorer is the pro's choice. Whether you're a historian, investigator, or just curious about the past, this platform opens up a world of possibilities. Access the world's largest archive of satellite and aerial imagery, including declassified spy photos from the 1960s, rare aerial surveys, and high-resolution modern images. The sheer scale and depth of this collection is unmatched. Investigate land as it looked decades ago, verify old claims, or spot vanished infrastructure. You can trace the evolution of cities, forests, rivers, and even see how natural disasters have reshaped the landscape over time. It's the ultimate fact-checker for cold cases, environmental changes, and historical research. Journalists, scientists, and detectives all rely on it to uncover the truth hidden in the past. The interface is clunky and can be intimidating at first, but the payoff is huge if you're willing to dig in and learn its quirks. Find old roads, original building foundations, or landscape changes over half a century. It's like having a time machine for the surface of the Earth. For any investigation needing to go back in time, EarthExplorer is king. You can scroll through decades of imagery and watch history unfold before your eyes. It's a library of Earth's visual history, preserving moments big and small and making them accessible to anyone with curiosity and patience. Now let's talk about the power of crowdsourced maps and how collective knowledge is changing the way we see the world. OpenStreetMap is the Wikipedia of maps, built by volunteers, packed with hidden details. Find trails, alleys, service roads, and features official maps miss. Combine OSM with satellite imagery to spot unofficial routes or recent changes. It's essential for tracking evasive targets or planning movements. Updated constantly by locals, it's often more current than corporate maps. For real-time ground truth info, OSM is priceless. The crowd builds a better map than any company. Let's get a street-level view. Mapillary is crowdsourced street view, updated by anyone, anywhere. Get fresh, ground-level images where Google hasn't been or is outdated. Investigators use it to scout locations, spot vulnerabilities, or see recent changes. Multiple angles and dates build a complete picture. AI tags objects, traffic signs, cameras, utility poles, making searches easy. It's a living, searchable database of the world's streets. For up-to-date street intel, Mapillary is unbeatable. Wikimapia overlays user knowledge on satellite maps, labeling everything from secret bases to famous landmarks. Find annotated points of interest, insider info, and historical context. Investigators use it to quickly identify key sites and infrastructure. Community comments add depth, sometimes even links to news or history. It's a living guidebook for the world. For context and leads, Wikimapia is essential. Now, let's zoom in on property. Terraserver offers high-res aerial and satellite photos, especially for the US. Investigators use it for property checks, land disputes, and historical changes. See when pools, fences, or additions appeared, down to the year. Overlays like parcel boundaries reveal legal property lines. It's a visual history for any address. For property-focused investigations, Terraserver is a goldmine. Let's make satellite analysis even easier. Sentinel Playground makes exploring recent satellite imagery simple and fast. Instantly load the latest images, switch bands to highlight vegetation, water, or man-made objects. Spot hidden camps, new clearings, or vehicle tracks with just a few clicks. Time-lapse features reveal changes over days or weeks. It's perfect for rapid reconnaissance and visual analysis. No setup, just results. For quick, powerful satellite insights, this is your tool. GeoGuessr is a game, but also a training ground for investigators. Dropped in a random street view, you must deduce your location from tiny clues. It hones your observation and geographic deduction skills, just like real OSINT work. Top players spot countries by road markings, soil, or utility poles. Intelligence agencies use it to sharpen analysts' skills. It's fun, addictive, and builds real-world investigation abilities. The world becomes a puzzle you learn to solve. The final tool, Yandex Maps, Russia's answer to Google Maps. For Eastern Europe and Central Asia, its imagery is often clearer and more current than Google's, especially for sensitive sites. Investigators use it to see military bases, troop movements, and strategic locations that Western maps blur or hide. Yandex's street panorama covers vast areas Google misses. For any investigation in this region, Yandex is a must. It reveals what others obscure. Don't overlook this powerhouse. You now have 12 free tools to see the world's secrets. Use them wisely. With great power comes great responsibility. Always stay ethical and legal. The world of open source intelligence is massive, and you've just scratched the surface. Which tool surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. For more digital investigation and OSINT tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.